children.
Hello, curious explorers in the town of artificial intelligence. Can a machine that speaks a language perfectly really understand it? Or does it just cleverly move symbols around without knowing what they mean? This basic question led to one of the most famous thought experiments, the Chinese room. I invite everyone to discover what this experiment tells us about the nature of artificial intelligence. In the solar gardens, I met Mecha Turtle and Cyber Hedgehog. Mecha Turtle believed it was a special room for learning Chinese. He explained that if you put a robot inside for 1 week, it would come out speaking Chinese fluently. Cyber Hedgehog thought it was a kind of riddle game. He said there were clues hidden in the room, and the goal was to guess what the Chinese symbols meant to find a hidden treasure. I explained to them that the Chinese room is not a classroom or a game. It is a thought experiment that shows the difference between working with symbols and truly understanding them. In the Gallery of Inventions, I met NeuroMonkey and RoboSquirrel. NeuroMonkey told me she memorized a sequence of moves to open a complicated lock, but still did not understand how the lock worked. RoboSquirrel added that her system could perfectly sort nuts by shape and color, but she had no idea how they tasted or which ones were the best. I agreed with them that these are great examples. Both can do their tasks perfectly, moving things or following steps, but without deeper understanding of what those things really mean. This is the heart of the Chinese room experiment. On the Bridge of Changes, I met RoboSwan and PicoMouse. I decided to check what they knew and ask them about the Chinese room experiment. RoboSwan explained that you imagine a person locked in a room who does not know Chinese but has a huge book of instructions. Through a slot, they get questions in Chinese, and using the book, they can pick perfect answers and send them out. PicoMouse added that for someone outside, it looks like the person inside understands Chinese, but really, she is just moving symbols according to the rules without understanding the questions or answers. I praised them for their knowledge and summed up that the Chinese room challenges the idea that just processing information is the same as thinking. Dear researchers, today we faced one of the most famous questions in the philosophy of artificial intelligence thanks to the Chinese room experiment. We learned that being able to have a conversation does not always mean real understanding. This is an important lesson that makes us think about what thinking and awareness really are. I hope this journey of the mind inspires you to ask more questions. See you again in the town of artificial intelligence.